Hello friends, today we are going to study the diseases of pomegranate. In pomegranate there are so many diseases that were essential to study, but in our syllabus there is only one disease, that is bacterial blight of pomegranate, that we are going to study. You can see the symptoms of this bacterial blight of pomegranate. It is widely distributed crop and it is commonly known as oily spot of pomegranate. It occurs all over the India and cause major epidemic in India. The red color denoted the distribution of this disease and epidemic of this disease all over the India. At primary, it shows water soaked lesion on infected leaves. You can see in image on left side there is the water soaked appearance of this bacterial blight infection, and in later stage it shows cracking of fruits and dark brown color. On fruits, it shows brown to black color lesions with cracks, and such cracks should be in the form of L and Y shape. So this is the particular marks of identification for bacterial blight of pomegranate. Similarly, it also cause infection to the leaves, twigs, fruits, branches, all the plant parts got infected due to this bacterial blight pathogen. The infection of this bacterial blight of pomegranate can be easily identified by ooze taste. This ooze taste should be followed in the field to identify this bacteria. This bacteria is gram-negative, non-spore forming, straight rod and single polar flagellum. These are some characters of this bacterial blight of pomegranate. These are some events responsible for short distance spread of this bacterial blight pathogen. Inside that, human interference, that means faulty management practices, infected planting material, infected orchard tools which were used for pruning, wind blown rain splashes contains this bacterial pathogen, and some insect vectors. These are some modes of spread of this Xanthomonas axonopodis pathover punici. Relative humidity, that is more than 50%, and rainfall 0.1 mm are sufficient for development of this bacterial disease. These are some predisposing factor for development of this bacterial pathogen. Now the most important point comes, that is management of this bacterial blight. The whole epidemic of this bacterial pathogen is occur on all over the India in major pomegranate growing belt of India. So for the control of this disease, we have to apply integrated control management practices. In that, first is disease-free planting material. That means if we use disease-free planting material, we can avoid the primary infection of this bacterial pathogen. For that, we can use air layering method, hardwood cutting method, or tissue culture plants. For air layering, we have to select the mother plants which were disease-free of this bacterial blight pathogen, so that we can obtain the seedlings which also are disease-free. Such planting material should be used for planting. The pruning implements or tools should be sterilized in sodium hypochlorite of 2.5%, and drenching with bleaching powder, that is 33% chlorine, is recommended for every 3 months at a rate up to 25 kg per 1000 liter of water on the ground. It reduces the spore development of this bacterial blight pathogen. Disease infected fruits should be collected and destroyed outside the field, so that the secondary infection of this bacterial blight pathogen we can avoid. Similarly, practice heavy pruning immediately after harvest and remove all the stems and blight infection outside the field. Then apply paste to the cutted ends after pruning and to the cankers. Oil-based paste preferred for pasting during rainy season. And 10% of Bordeaux paste should be prepared. 1 kg copper sulfate, 1 kg lime plus 10 liter of water. And two another paste were given here, COC paste and Chobashia paste were also recommended. So these are some methods that we can follow to minimize the infection of this bacterial pathogen to new area. If we apply such management practices in pomegranate field, we will able to control this disease before the emergence of this disease. This is all about the prophylactic measures that we should follow for pomegranate cultivation. In chemical control, we can use Bordeaux mixture, Brunopal, copper oxychloride, salicylic acid like mentioned here in schedule, so that we can easily control this bacterial pathogen. For severe infection, we can use these spray combinations like strobilurin 5 gram per 10 liter of water, or Brunopal 5 gram per 10 liter of water plus Kosai 20 gram per 10 liter of water, and inside that we can add some spreader and streaker 5 ml per 10 liter of water. So these three combinations were recommended by National Research Center for Pomegranate, which is situated at Solapur, and the scientist which is working on this bacterial pathogen is Dr. Jyotsna Sharma. They are the ASRB scientist and they have controlled this disease, and they have took lot of efforts for management of this bacterial pomegranate in all over the India with all renowned scientists.